Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will show you a new interesting investment opportunity called Insurancefi. Yeah? And as of right now guys, let me show you, it is available on pre-sale on Presale Finance. Yeah? The pre-sale will stop in 1 day and 28 minutes. And what's a good hint that this project could be very successful? Let me show you guys. They were looking to get 50 BNB at pre-sale and they already have 135 BNB. Yeah. So this shows us that there is already now a big interest in this project, and this could be a good hint that this could do really good in the future. Yeah. Let me show you guys what this project is all about. Yeah. The first sustainable staking and insurance protocol that covers investment loss. Okay, that's really an interesting feature, yeah, that covers investment loss. Let me show you guys how this will work, okay, because that's really interesting, and that's actually the first one that ever, as much as I know, that ever offered something like this. Okay, let me show you guys. Staking, yeah. Insurancefi reward stakers BUSD generated from trading volume. Insurance investors can sign for insurance contract when staked to secure the investment. But I will show in detail how this works because this is really interesting, guys. So stick with me to the end, okay? You can see there will be different kinds of staking pools, okay? Your money or your crypto in the first pool will be locked for 15 days and you will get 50% more, yeah, after 15 days. In the second pool, it's gonna be locked for 30 days and you will double your investment. Third pool, it will be locked for 60 days and you will get 200%. 90 days, 300%, 120 days, 600%, 360 days, 1,200% rewards. Crazy, yeah, that's a lot. And yeah, many of you might know some projects like auto staking or whatever, and then the problem is that the price of the token goes down, yeah, because here you buy the tokens and then you stake them here, yeah. But what if the price of the token goes down? That's why they have the insurance, yeah. For example, let me show you. If you invested, for example, yeah, how much is your compensation in case you lost 10% of your investment? Let's say you invested $1,000, so you lost 10%, let's say you cash out 100, then you have a compensation rate of 110%. That means the insurance will pay you $110, yeah? So at the end, even if you lost 10%, you will get $10 more in this case here, yeah? And many of you might not think, okay, how can this work? I mean, let's say everybody loses money, how will they pay for this? The number of insurance contracts is limited, yeah? So this makes sense, okay? What's interesting about the white paper, I will show you. Here the tokenomics. There's a 5% buy tax, but of course, if you buy it right now on pre-sale, you will not have to pay the buy tax. 1% will go to the insurance fund, 2% for marketing, I mean from this 5%, and 2% to the BUSD vault. Sell tax, 5%, 1% of this will go to the insurance fund, marketing 2, BUSD vault 2, okay? As you can see here, 20% of all will go to the insurance, which is really, really good. So let's go to the white paper. Overview guys. The idea of a stable and safe, profitable financial protocol for investors, okay? Why? I already explained it to you, yeah? There will be 6 staking pools from short-term 15 days to long-term 360 days. I already showed you this, yeah? And how does this work? I mean, the buy, sign, earn function, a straightforward yet innovative element of the IFP, offers IFP holders an automatic daily income with the peace of mind that their investment is protected by the protocol. So, insurance contract knowledge, the insurance fund, it's gonna be backed by the fee that of every buy and sell, yeah, and 20%. There will be a total of 20%, I showed you before, if the IF tokens in the total supply being vested to ensure that the insurance fund is always full. So, limited number of insurance contracts. This is important, guys, yeah, because of course not everyone can get the insurance. What if the majority of investors who sign the insurance package lose money? It is very likely that the insurance fund will not be able to pay, of course. Yeah, this must be your question, but it is also the first question our team asked ourselves when we came up with the idea of the insurance protocol. Yeah, to ensure that investors who sign an insurance plan are protected, we will limit the number of insurance contracts. There will be a maximum number of IF tokens covered by the insurance fund, which the protocol can calculate. Okay. And the project insurance funds is filled by many sources, so the protocol will calculate accurately for the most protected investors, and also eliminate the possibility that the insurance fund is no longer able to compensate. So, guys, if you are one of the lucky investors who is able to get the insurance, I would say, I mean, you never know what's going to happen, and as always, guys, always do your own research before you invest in any of those projects, but I'm here to show those projects, but no financial advice, of course, yeah? But let's say, for example, that you invest in any pool like this. Let me show you just the pools again that you see. Let's say you lock up your tokens for 30 days. So this should give you 100% more of what you invested, yeah? And in the worst case, if you are one of those who get insurance, then in the worst case, I mean, you can't lose, yeah? Best case, you double your investment. Worst case, you get just a little bit more because of this here, yeah, of the insurance. So I would say that's pretty good because usually, I mean, if you get insurance, okay, if you get insurance, then it's a really good investment opportunity, I would say, yeah. Yes, guys. So as always, you will find the link in the description. And right now you can get it on pre-sale, as I've said. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.